going to find Bailey.
We're gonna go find Bailey. We're on the way to find Bailey.
That's our
Bailey.
Yeah, Bailey.
Bailey.
Got. He's not there. He might be on the next one. Oh my god, he's there.
Next stop.
I just saw him. I just saw him. I'm not taking the piss. I just saw him. I swear, I just saw him. Yeah, then. Can we do rock, paper, scissors, right? First to three, whoever loses is a gay ugly motherfucker. Genuinely.
Right, first to three.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One to me. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two to me. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Three to me. I'm so good at rock, paper, scissors. I'm so good. You want to try?
Fucking game
you want to try me?
What are you on about?
Three, yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That would be it. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two to me. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win. Because I'm the fucking GOAT. I'm the fucking GOAT. Rock, paper, scissors. Honestly, never lost a game.
Oh, is it not a real one?
Mate, I forgot my beanie.
Go on, put it
I
on.
forgot my beanie. I forgot my hat.
Regan's got a beanie.
I've got my beanie.
Yeah, with a stain on it.
Show us your beanie.
You use that to wipe your ass with?
Yeah, that's why it's fucking brown.
Let's go full 360.
Get on a beanie stain, man.
Green. You twat. What are you doing? Fucking hell, I got nits flying at me when you did that.
Oh, that's well,
The greedy
meant to be
bastard.
soft.
Oh, I won't ever have that flavour again.
Why?
One of each flavour in the packet.
This shit anyway. Need to do that. Odds on going up to that guy and asking him what brand his shoes are.
Yeah, not here.
What, should we get stabbed? Alright, what brand are your shoes, mate? It's here. We're getting on. I feel sick, by the way. It feels like I'm important to it. It feels like I've got bank. Thanks.
Cheers.
Feel a bit cheeky. If somebody asked us to move. Oh yeah, well if somebody asked us to move, we'll move. We shouldn't really need to take up 6 feet.
It's available, isn't it?
Yeah.
We won't move.
These are weird seats, aren't they? Why is this one facing back?
Mom, he's right there. I was in
I'm not touch you.
Alright, go.
You grow up. Who invited this guy?
You need to charge your phone, is like.
Parents don't love you.
Hello,
I'd never take this out of you.
Tom's here.
Never take this out.
So am I. We're on the train. Why am I dark? Oh, there we go. We're on the train to Oxalome, and I'm really hungry for some Wetherspoons. Not gonna lie to you. Ooh. So yeah.
Why are you making that face when you're filming yourself?
Cut to me eating food.
Is he back to filming this guy?
Oxenholme. What a lovely place.
Wait, hold on. Do that again.
Oxenholme. Odds on out of 50. Take it. Odds on out of 50.
Oh, it's got fucking flies in it. Fuck that.
Odds on out of 50 taking a sip.
Out of 50.
How much you want to bet it's?
I'm not fucking drinking.
No, Regan has to drink it.
Is it full?
No.
Is it full?
Basically, if we said the same number, I'd have to do it.
Right.
But like, if I go up to him and say, odds on out with this, you do it. And he goes, all right, out of 10. And we go, okay, 3, 2, 1.
I wouldn't swallow it. I'll put it in my mouth. I've got a 41-minute walk. Put it
So
half hour.
spoons.
This guy's dodgy.
You don't feel like
Film him, he's committed a crime, he's told me it's shorter than it is.
I get that a lot.
Yeah.
But usually I tell people it's longer.
Is it recorded?
Yeah.
Message for the viewers. If you don't hit 1,000 million likes, Tom is going to take it out on a poor innocent sheep.
Oh, that were a nice shot, Regan. You came right into focus.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did.
We missed our bus,
Because of Tom.
so we walked like an hour down here, and now we're chilling. Now we're chilling until the bus arrives. It's quite nice though. We're near the amusement. Should we go into the amusements? Let's go check the amusements out. In Lakeland. Oh, look at these mugs. Ooh. Bruno. If your dog has one of these names, then they're the most basic dog. Yeah, basic dog name. This is some
good
comedy.
content.
This is comedy. Oi, Regan, odds on you getting above 900.
Well, it's a bit fucking shit. It's on the thing.
Absolutely god awful.
Light work, honestly. What did you get, Regan? That is absolutely embarrassing. You just got shown. Got shown. It's an addiction. It's an addiction. I'll move back. Ooh, close. See, you were close. Imagine that went on. That was the same, man.
Right, enough of that.
No, not Regan.
That was bad.
Wow, no, it wasn't.
Damn.
See, I needed to. I told you I weren't hitting it right. I got it then.
You just told. I said that was bad, and you went, "Yep." Finally on the second bus. That'll take us to the bottom of the mountain.
Let me recreate the first one. We're on the bus.
We're on the bus.
We're on the bus.
Tom. So proud of yourself. Oh great, that's a good view, isn't it?
Lads, we've made it.
Where are we though?
We made it to Patterdale.
We're in Patterdale. We've all got our, most of us have got our waterproofs on because one person doesn't have them. He might have them. But then again, it's not that bad yet.
AJ, what's this?
What is that?
I don't know.
Is that a waterproof?
Oh, bloody hope it is.
He's got one. Odds on sticking your head in that. Out of what?
5.
Out of 5?
5.
3, 2, 1, 4.
3.
Alright, now I have to do it. 3, 2, 1, 1.
3.
Okay. Bailey?
3, 2, 1.
2.
We've all done it.
3, 2, 1, 4. Get your head in it. Oh my god.
I've been living in a hole in the mountain, halo sings in there. Oh, these memories, they keep on following the devil, he's a rambling man. I've been living in a hole in the mountain, halo they keep on following the devil, he's a rambling man. I try to keep this inside. Is the time to see what we can try? See what we can try.
Hello. I couldn't film setting up any of the tents because it's too windy and rainy, as you can see by my hair. But I'm in my tent right now. It's way better than everyone else's. I have the best tent, and they're all begging to sleep in my tent. And I'm like, no, buy your own tent. There we go. So basically, because of how hot it is now, cold it is even. Well, it's not even that cold. I'm pretty warm, but because it will get freezing during the night, I'm gonna have to put my extra layers on. Because if I don't, that is gonna be a big stupid idea. What?
Are you talking to that camera?
I'm talking to the camera, yeah.
Bring the camera in my tent, why don't you?
I'm not. Well, you know what? I'll get Bailey to take it out
Oh,
because I don't want to come out my tent. So the first layer, the thermal layer, skin tight, right? This way you'll remain hot and sweaty. I wore this earlier today, and I had to take it off because of how hot and sweaty I was. And also, I took it off and put it in my bag, so that way when it rained, it won't get wet. And then I'm going to put my overlayer back on, because that's just a nice little, and it's warm since I've been wearing it all day. Nice little warm, just extra layer really. And then finally I'm going to put my fleece on, and that speaks for itself really. Thick, fluffy. What else can you want if you're going to want to be warm? And then also, I've got two extra socks. My thermal socks, which I probably should have worn now. But anyway, I'll put my thermal socks on because they're really thick. I wore them with my shoes first, and now they're soaking wet. So I decided not to wear them tonight, and to wear these two extra socks that I brought for that intended purpose. I won't be able to cook food tonight because it's pissing it raining, and you shouldn't cook anything gas in your tent because carbon monoxide is a real thing and can kill you. So there's a warning in my tent that says that. I was planning on doing it originally, but I searched it up, it said you can't. The tent says you can't, so I'm not going to do that. Bailey's sleeping in my tent now, so that's fun. But his tent is honestly awful, so I can't blame him. But I've got a system set up so there's no wetness getting in my tent. First, you sit on the sitting mat, put it next to the door. He takes his shoes off outside the tent, leaves them, takes his socks off, puts them inside his shoes. Any waterproofs go on the outer layer, which is also blocked by the tarp layer. And then you take your pants off and everything, whatever you want. Hey, take your pants off and put your new clothes on that you're going to sleep in. You put your sleeping mat in, and then this is a two-man tent, so you can sleep in here. I was just being greedy before, but I'd prefer it to just be my tent, but you know, you have to compromise. Anyway, socks time, and you know what, you might as well go see what Bailey's tent looks like.
mate! Oh, fucking hell! Ah!
Yeah, Tom, I'm not letting you sleep in there.